Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will take a look into union operator in SQL. Well, the union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Every select statement within a union must have the same number of columns. The columns must have the similar data types. The columns in every select statement must also be in the same order. So let us go ahead and let us see how to use union operator to combine the result set of two or more select statements. So let us head over to the MySQL Workbench over here, and here we have written a SQL statements in previous lecture. So let us take a backup of these SQL statements. Just copy and paste into Notepad and then remove all these SQL statements and remove the existing table. Drop table employees. We'll drop the employees table along with its data. Next, in order to demonstrate the usage of union operator, let us have a two table, employees underscore IT and employees underscore HR. And here we have insert statements to insert the records into respective tables. Okay. Next, select all these SQL statements and just execute them. Next, in order to view the data from these tables, just have a select statement, select star from employees underscore IT, and then select star from employees underscore HR. Next, let us execute this select star from employees IT first, and look at here, this table has 4 records. Next, execute select star from employees underscore HR, it has 5 records. Next, let us see how to use union operator to combine the data from these two tables. So here, let us write the SQL statement. So just type select and then followed by the columns ID, comma, first name, comma, last underscore name, comma, department. Well, make sure that whenever you use a union of multiple select statements, then each select statement should have the same number of column names. Okay, so here we have ID, first name, last name, department from employees underscore IT. Next, let us copy this select statement and then paste it. So this table name should be HR. Now we want to combine the data from these two tables. We have to use union operator. So here, union. So whenever you want to use a union operator to combine data from multiple select statements, then you have to remember 3 important points. The first is every select statement within a union must have the same number of columns. And second is the columns must also have the similar data types. Third is the columns in every select statement must be in the same order. For example, you can see these two select statements over here. The columns in both the select statement in the same order, and the columns have the same data types, and the columns in each select statement in the same order, right? Next, let us run this SQL statement and you can see the output over here. So if you can closely observe the output, the union operator basically combined the records from both the table. You can see these are the first 4 records from employees underscore IT table, and these are the 5 records from employees underscore HR table. Okay, so this is how we can use union operator to combine the data from multiple tables using multiple select statements like this. Okay, and by default the union operator basically removes the duplicate entries from the final result. And if you want to include the duplicate rows in the final result set, you can use union all operator here. So here instead of union, you can use union all to include the duplicate rows in the final set. By default, the union operator don't include the duplicate entries in the final set, but if you want to include the duplicate entries in the final set, you can go ahead and use union all operator like this. Okay, perfect.